Welcome to my channel Planted Mind. Hello friends. Today I decided to make an episode based on a comment that I recently received on one of my latest videos, and a user said that my painted lady that I got from Home Depot, it's not a painted lady, it's actually a different type of plant. So I was like surprised, and I decided to go online and actually check and see if that's the case. And what I found out that although Home Depot sells to us Philodendron Painted Lady, it is actually a Philodendron Marmalade. And I will tell you what I read online and how you can tell the difference. So they say that Painted Lady will have leaves more looking like this, like they are more larger, like wider leaves, versus Marmalade will have more like spades like leaves, so you can see it's like a spade. And then the other difference is that when a new leaf is coming out, it's not this color, it's very bright, and this one it's more of the dramatic color. It also has this shyness in the leaves, and the Painted Lady doesn't have the shyness. And when you look at the leaves that matured already, they kind of go into this deep green that it's very vibrant. And this is still a small leaf, still not all the way matured, and this one too. When you look at them, they come out in, I don't have one here that will show as much. I'll show you this one, but this one, and put this way, and on this one you can see that the new leaf is like more orangey, like almost like copper in color. And another distinctive part is that on the back the leaves are like darker, like more like, you see more like red, more like a copper color. And in different sources you can see different prices for these plants. I would say they are about in the same range, but here again you see the color is totally different. Some think that the Orange Painted Lady is something that people look for. Others say that wish they had the Marmalade because it's definitely more dramatic and it's very shiny and pretty. And the care for these plants is almost the same. It's easier to grow a Painted Lady. It's more, it's easier just to grow. The Marmalade, it doesn't like when, like, you know, the temperature is very sadly changed. Like Painted Lady can deal with that, and Marmalade doesn't like it, so you have to keep it pretty stable for it. And also it likes to climb, and this is how I found out that I actually have a Marmalade instead of a Painted Lady. No matter how much I was excited that I got a Painted Lady, apparently we got the Marmalade. And you know, they look pretty similar when they are like just starting, like when they're in very young stage. But as they grow, the leaves don't stay like this. The leaves will be actually wider, and in this case the leaves are just more looking like spades. And I'll tell you that in the past, I don't know, like I would say this past season, I did get several plants that the label says one name, but in reality it's actually a totally different plant. And I'll give you an example. This is a plant I got from Walmart, and here it says that it's a Monstera adansoni, but in reality it's an Epipremnum silver. I forgot the rest. So as you can see, that the names could be deceiving, but the beauty of the plant, it's not deceiving. I really like how this plant looks like. So the main difference between them is that the shape of the leaf, and also that the colors are not as bright and vibrant. And Painted Lady, it tends to be lighter and more of a matte finish, and the marmalade, it's more bright and has this shiny finish. And taking care of them should be fun, and I think that I do want a painted lady, but I'm very thankful for this plant too. I like long leaves, and as you can see on the background, I have different type of philodendrons with different type of leaves, and this definitely looks very good in my collection. Well, I hope I explained to you the difference, and yes, when you go to Home Depot, even though the tag might say that it's a plant, you might want to check online. I never heard before of marmalade, of the Philodendron marmalade, and right now I'm like pretty excited that I do have it. And yes, this reminds me that in another of my videos, the tag I already repotted and I didn't keep the tag, but one of the tags was saying that one of these pink princesses was the white princess. I apologize, but my microphone died here, so I'm gonna tell you what I said. Basically, I said thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy every single plant you have. Take care of them no matter what type they are. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.